Want to make this yummy velvety butter chicken recipe? Let's get started. First, you need some fresh tomatoes, red bell peppers, garlic, ginger, onions, cashew nuts, and canned tomato paste. Wash your fresh produce and place in a blender. We're going to blend until it is very, very smooth. I used bell peppers and sweet onions in this recipe because it adds sweetness to the sauce. I initially forgot to add the cashew nuts to the blender. Here I am adding it later with some hot habanero peppers. Blend it all together. This would not be butter chicken without chicken. I added some cumin, curry powder, red chili flakes, and onion powder to my chicken. I also added some cardamom, bay leaves, cloves, which I will later remove. You can put the old spices in a spice bag to make it easier to remove, them after cooking. I seasoned the chicken with some salt and some vegetable bouillon. Then I pan-seared them until they were almost fully cooked. At this point, I removed the chicken and spices from the pot, threw in some onions, fry for a few minutes, and in goes the tomato paste. I added curry powder, garam masala, coriander powder to the tomato paste. I added butter and oil and let it cook. Now it's time to add your tomato puree. Mix, mix, mix. Cover it and let it cook for a while. Mix some more. I added some honey for some extra sweetness. You can totally skip this because the bell pepper and onions already add sweetness to the sauce. Now you can add your cooked chicken and then stir, 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 stir. In goes the heavy cream and stir it all together. Mix it all until it is completely smooth. At this point, the sauce was really thick, so I added some water to it. Now you can add some butter and oil at the end and let it cook. Before you know it, voila, your food is ready. I enjoyed this with a side of rice. You can eat it with bread or however you like. I really enjoyed this meal. The sauce was smooth, silky. It was a total crowd pleaser. Try this recipe and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.